What is the Mars Ascent Vehicle MAV? Imagine a tiny rocket on Mars that can launch itself from the planet's surface and send precious samples back into space. That's exactly what the Mars Ascent Vehicle is designed to do. It plays a key role in NASA's Mars Sample Return mission, which aims to bring back soil and rock samples from the Red Planet 4 study here on Earth. The MAV is a two-stage rocket powered by solid rocket motors. Each stage guides and controls the ascent, with the first stage using an electromechanical thrust vector control system to steer the rocket by moving the engine nozzle. The vehicle also has a reaction control system that uses monopropellant fuel for small adjustments and orbital fine-tuning once it's in space. The MAV sits inside a lander on Mars, and once the Perseverance rover collects samples, it transfers them into the MAV's payload compartment using a robotic arm. When ready, the MAV is ejected vertically from the lander and ignites its engines to lift off from the Martian surface. Its main payload is the orbital sample container, which holds up to 30 sample tubes filled with Martian soil and rocks. After reaching orbit, the MAV releases the orbital sample container, which is then captured by an Earth return orbiter waiting in Mars orbit. This orbiter will ferry the samples back to Earth for detailed analysis. The MAV must withstand Mars's harsh conditions, including extreme temperatures and the low-pressure atmosphere. Its design has been tested extensively to ensure it can reliably launch around 2028, with samples arriving on Earth in the early 2030s. Besides robotic missions, the concept of a Mars Ascent Vehicle is also considered for future human missions. In that case, it could carry astronauts from the Martian surface back to orbiting spacecraft, possibly with added life support systems. Overall, the Mars Ascent Vehicle is a pioneering piece of technology that will make it possible to return samples from Mars, opening new doors for scientific discovery and future human exploration.